Respectable teachers and the students, Assalamu alaikum. Today the topic of my speech is Independence Day. Pakistan gained independence after remarkable efforts made Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who was a man of great caliber and had the belief that Muslims could only live happily when they would own a country led by their own people, and a country that would be according to the ideals of Islam. However, the efforts made by the people like Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan make able sure that their sacrifices did not go in vain, and they were able to provide the Muslim an independence homeland. Independence Day for any country is like a celebration, and people of Pakistan celebrate this festival with interest and joy. They come together under a green and white flag of Pakistan. A flag is a sign of every country. Every country has a different flag and rejoice their friends and families.